Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I know it's been a while since I last posted and I wish I had a good excuse for not posting any earlier. Anyway, I would like to thank all of you for your views, likes, comments and subscribes. It really means a lot for a small-time content creator like me. Today's video is about time, or rather reading time in Af Somaali. But before we do so, here are some of the terminologies you should get yourself familiar with. In English we have morning, noon or midday, afternoon, evening, midnight, day and night. Morning is subah, while midday is dhuhr. Afternoon is galab, while evening is feed. One could say subahdii, dhuhrki, galabti, or feednimo, depending on where they appear in a sentence. Midnight is saqdahe or habeenbar, while day and night are maalin and habeen. To ask time, one will typically say waqtiga or saacada waa meeqa saac or waa imisadii. So basically 1 p.m. in the afternoon is kowdii duhurnimo or tadabo saac maalinimo. Two p.m. in the afternoon is labadii galabnimo or sideed saac maalinimo. Three p.m. in the afternoon is saddexdii galabnimo or sagaal saac. 4 p.m. in the afternoon is afartii galabnimo or 10 saac. Five p.m. in the evening is shantii galabnimo or 11 saac. Six p.m. in the evening is lixdii galabnimo or 12 saac. Seven p.m. in the evening is toddobadii fiidnimo or hal saac habeennimo. Eight p.m. at night is sideedii fiidnimo or 2 saac habeennimo. Nine p.m. is sagaalkii fiidnimo or 3 saac habeennimo. Ten p.m. is tobankii habeennimo or 4 saac. 11 p.m. is 12 habeennimo or 5 saac. Finally, 12 a.m. midnight is 12 saqnimo or saq dhexe or 6 saac habeen bar. Anyway, while midday is dhuhr, 2 p.m. in the afternoon is 3 p.m. in the afternoon is afartii galabnimo or 8 p.m. at night, 8 fiidnimo or 5